First, I want to give you a little tip though for handling hot barbecue. So I've got these 2 big pieces of pork butt getting kind of tender, hard to handle. This is what I do. You buy these cotton gloves at the hardware store. You buy these, I don't know what they use them for. I'm not a painter, but I think painters use them for something. But then you can take your regular old nitrile or latex glove and put it right over the top. And with this setup, I can handle a pretty hot piece of meat quickly, and really it goes well, and it's a lot easier than trying to. There's different tools and stuff, but it's a lot easier to just handle it by hand. So let's take a look at these things. That one looks good. And so does that.